Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be checking out some products by Uncle Will 4x4. They asked me to have a look at them, do a quick review and see what I think. They sent me some Paracord grab handles, a dash tray insert and a door storage pocket and a couple of other products. So let's go check them out, see what they look like, see what the quality is like and if these are something you should consider.
Thanks to Uncle Will 4x4 for providing the products for this video. I'm going to take a look at 6 products for the 21 and up Ford Bronco. First up are some door storage pockets. They're a thick molded plastic with a rubber insert to help protect anything that you're going to put into these door pockets. The pockets are molded so that you can actually put a water bottle in there and keep it securely in place. Just simply need to remove 6 screws, put the door pocket in place and put the screws back in. Very easy. As you can see, there are a couple of drainage holes in the bottom as well, so if you do spill something in the pocket, it's just going to run straight through. You can easily place and remove water bottle, Gatorade bottle, whatever you might need to in the door pocket. Next up are a set of rubber door sill protectors. Very flexible and pliable and contour to the shape of the door sill. And being a rubber material means they're non-slip, so you shouldn't slip when you're trying to get in or out of the Bronco. There's a thin strip of adhesive on the perimeter of the door sills. I do, however, wish there was a large strip down the centre. That would give me more confidence in keeping them in position. Installation is very easy, just lay them in place, stick them down, and just repeat it for each door sill. Here you can see the door closes with no problems at all. Here you can see they mimic the plastic panel on the inside of the Bronco. Nice touch there. And again, the front door closes without issues as well. Moving on, we've got the Paracord handles. I've checked out Paracord handles before. These ones have a cool American flag on them. I found these ones to have a slightly shorter handle to them, so they don't hang quite as low as some of the other ones. The quality and the finishing on these are the best of the ones I've checked out so far. They're a simple 2-bolt installation. There's many videos out there, I've done a couple in the past. Just remove the 2 bolts, put the new Paracord handle in, and put the bolts back in. Very simple. Uncle Will 4x4 sent me 2 different types of center console storage. The first style is a dual storage tray with rubber inserts. The plastics these are made from have a real quality feel to them. They feel like a slightly thicker gauge than some of the other ones I've tested in the past. The rubber inserts are easily removable to keep them clean. Now in my Bronco I actually have a center console safe, so I wasn't able to insert these, but I know from experience that these fit very well. On the right hand side of the tray there is a cutout for a charging cable, and on the lower tray there is an opening for a 12-volt power supply. The second style of tray is something really neat that I've not seen before. These have a velvet-like material in, like a jewellery box, so they are going to protect anything that you put inside that tray. This is something that several OEM manufacturers do in their center consoles. This tray is really superb quality and has a great feel to it. Again, with the safe in the center console, I couldn't insert these, but I do know that they're going to fit very nicely. One thing to note is that velvet does make it a little bit tougher to get that top tray out, but it is a very snug fit. Overall, this is one of the best trays I've seen on the market. Absolutely love it. And the final product is a dash storage tray. These are made from a molded rubber material, which means they should be highly durable when subjected to the heat on the dashboard. They're contoured to follow the shapes that are already molded into the dashboard. And they have 3M style adhesive on the back to make sure they're not going to go anywhere. To install them, just peel off the red backing tape and lay them in place. They fit very, very well. They're a nice thick rubber material as well, they're not flimsy, so these are going to last a good long while, and they're going to stop your phone and other knickknacks that you have up on your dash from rolling around. This is another really great quality product. Very impressed overall with Uncle Will 4x4.
So there you go. I really felt that some of these products were really decent quality. I didn't install them all. As I said, I've got a safe in the center console of the Bronco. But those trays, I haven't seen one with that mouse fur or that velvet material on it. I thought that was pretty good and really nice quality at a great price. The Paracord handles, I love the little American flag on there. I think that's a nice little touch. I put links in the description below to all of these products. And if you think that Uncle Will 4x4 is a good fit for you, check them out. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Maybe subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.